going on.
The Wi-Fi?
The Wi-Fi's on.
The Wi-Fi's on?
Okay.
We gotta give people a minute to tune in here.
Okay, tuning in.
For the replay, y'all are about to see Danielle attempt to do something that I don't think is gonna work out very well.
I think it is.
I don't think it is,
so,
but I will tell you.
I told Chris that I could make this peanut butter and jelly sandwich that this restaurant PB&J with Tay in San Antonio had on a food tour. What are you doing? And he posted it on my page, and I said, I can make that healthy. And he was like, no, that'll be really gross.
So, first of all, this isn't just any peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This guy down in, where's it, San Antonio?
Yeah.
He makes a unbelievable peanut butter and jelly sandwich that makes Elvis's peanut butter and jelly sandwiches look like stuff from the schoolyard. I'm talking, what was Elvis? Banana, peanut butter, bacon, jelly?
Yep.
That's like a third of the ingredients on here. And then what's even better than that is all the stuff they add in on top of what Elvis would normally do is really unhealthy, delicious stuff. So, first of all, whoever did come up with this sandwich that that Danielle is trying to recreate, I apologize because your sandwich, sir, looks perfect. And I can't wait to come visit your establishment to apologize in person for what she's about to do to your amazing creation that God gave you and you alone the ability to make. Because nobody else in the history of the world has ever made something that looked like what you did. So with that said...
Okay, I'm going to start this, but before I do that, you guys know we always want to give you something to meal prep for the week. So, this is a way that you can make a healthy sandwich, but we also have a video with Savannah Hill and I did that's fish sticks for kids, and it's on our YouTube channel. So go check that out, and I'll post that. I should be posting that tomorrow morning, but it is on our YouTube channel.
Kanye West loves fish sticks.
Okay.
It's a South Park thing.
Okay.
If anybody's a South Park fan, they'll think that's hilarious.
All right, so here we go. So we will, you can look on my page for how this is really done, and then here's the healthier version of how we're actually going to do it. So the
hold
first
on.
thing I have is...
Before you go healthy, we're talking peanut butter. We're talking jelly. We're not only talking peanut butter, we're talking two different types of peanut butter. The fellow that does this does smooth peanut butter, rich and creamy, and then a second peanut butter that's crunchy. We're talking jelly. Not only is it jelly, but he did a jelly, jalapeno jelly. Danielle, in her unbelievably creative world,
we're gonna do this.
Put jalapenos in her jelly. I don't think it's gonna turn out like stuff. We're talking Marshmellow Fluff. We're talking chocolate. We're talking Nutella. We're talking butter, bread, carbs, butter, bread, bacon.
Not here.
Bacon, all of it. That's what's supposed to be in it. So let's have Danielle go through
it
and explain how we're gonna do this.
Okay. So, y'all also will learn a lot about what are some healthier versions of things. So the first thing is this Paleo almond bread. Oh my God, it's so good. Because it is grain-free, it's dairy-free, vegan for people that care about vegan. It's seriously made of almond flour. It's 3 grams of fat, 6 grams of carbs, and 5 of those are fiber. Seriously, y'all, 60 calories for a slice. Oh my God.
I haven't tried it yet. Expensive. I'll tell you if it's any good.
Okay, so there's that versus 150 calories. Oh, okay, I'll get into that later. All right, so first thing, almond butter.
Nope, first thing is Danielle is skimping. We need a 3rd piece of bread.
No, we don't.
Yes, because the recipe calls for 3 pieces of bread.
I saw that, but we don't need it.
So we're going to get a 3rd piece of bread.
Okay, so almond butter. Where can y'all get almond butter? Seriously, this is almonds just ground up. I do it at Kroger. They have a little mill that does it. It's really easy. But you can put, if you have a Vitamixer, just straight almonds. That's it. No oil, no salt, no sugar.
Or,
okay?
Or they make a peanut butter one that already has honey baked into it. It's delicious. I'm going to warm this up and put this in some butter real quick.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is chocolate.
Nutella!
But it's not Nutella because Nutella says that it's healthy and it's really not.
Nutella's fine. Don't listen to her.
The best thing you can do is 80% cocoa chocolate. Okay, so all this is melted. That's it. Okay?
Hold on. Buttery bread real quick because Danielle can't run the world. He's chef skills, son. Eric Freeline, eat your heart out.
Oh my God.
Okay, hold on. Where's this
I'm not the prettiest cook, so.
No, you're gorgeous, babe. Don't you say it about yourself.
Thank you. All right, so here we go.
Okay.
Hazelnut.
We need to put some more of that on there.
Spread.
Okay, so let's just go ahead and double up on that. Okay, what else we got?
Then we're gonna put walnuts because walnuts are delicious for you.
Is that what the recipe called for?
It did call for that. No, it did not. It really didn't. It really called for walnuts.
By the way, Danielle tried to make her own hazelnut, what's it called, Nutella earlier. We're gonna post a video of that. I wish we had one because it was awful. It was delicious, sweetheart.
Okay, he's gonna be trying this, y'all, in a little bit. We'll hurry.
And I'm gonna be honest.
Coconut, and I bet it's gonna be good.
Okay, also this is original recipe, right?
What?
The coconut.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's unsweetened coconut.
Do you even know where the other bread comes in?
I'm not doing another piece of bread.
Bullshit.
Okay, babe.
Hold on.
All right, so then instead of...
So you're going to put another piece of bread on there.
Okay. And then instead of Marshmellow Fluff, I did... This is all thanks to Madison Wallace, who helped me with how to make this part healthier in this recipe. So it's organic coconut cream with stevia, and then I put a little bit of almond flour to thicken it.
Marshmellow Fluff, I believe the American Heart Association has said is one of the best things for fighting pituitary tumors in some sort of medical review. I don't know. I'm not a doctor.
You're ridiculous.
Okay. So it doesn't necessarily taste exactly like the Marshmellow Fluff. I tried it. I'll give her a break on this one.
Good. Then strawberry jam. So this is homemade strawberry jam that I made. I'll post a video on YouTube by this week, by Wednesday.
It doesn't suck. It's actually not bad.
It's pure strawberries and stevia. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. And I just
she literally just chopped up a jalapeno and put this in here. Okay. Where are we at now? Are we supposed to put bacon on here at some point?
Yeah, let's do it. Bacon.
Wait, what about bananas?
Looks kind of weird. Oh, sorry. And then bananas. I know.
You gotta watch these dietitians. If you turn your back on a dietitian for 1 minute, they'll just start pulling shit out of recipes. They'll start hiding stuff from you. They'll start replacing your Coca-Cola for like Coke Zero or something like that. Mm-hmm. They're sneaky, sneaky little characters. You gotta watch them. You gotta watch them.
And then bacon.
Oh, bacon.
Ooh, let me tell y'all about bacon. You really need to have bacon where that pig has been vegetables.
And
no
molasses.
nitrates, no nitrites, none of that celery salt in there. That's still a nitrate that can affect our brain.
And molasses.
And chemical. And there's no sugar in it. Okay? This is my favorite kind.
It's actually pretty good. Okay, and now...
Bread.
Okay, meet me over here. We're going to turn to this.
Look at this.
Meet me over here. We're going to turn to this.
Do you really have people even
watching?
Okay.
35 people who are trying to figure out if you're lying to these people or not.
Y'all.
And I'm going to tell them the truth. She's filling us full of crap or not.
We still did butter.
That's real butter.
Oh my gosh, that's so much butter.
Yeah, which is what the recipe... Elvis did not die of being responsible about his butter intake, okay?
Okay.
Elvis died because Elvis did whatever he wanted.
It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. You are gonna realize that PB&J out of the kitchen sink can still be healthy and delicious, but you really didn't need that third piece of bread.
I'm going to tell you if this is delicious or not, and I have a feeling... I don't know if I have a good feeling about this or not.
Let me get that
but
knife.
we're going to just nice and butter this up. Okay, coming in hot. Got some good baking going on there. All right.
Okay. Okay, the truth will be told.
Hold on, let's see. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. If it looks like a video.
Gosh! He'll show you. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but all sorts of delicious goodness on there.
PB&J with Tay. Your name is really, really hard.
Okay.
We're gonna send this to you, and
Let's
you're gonna
see.
see.
Oh, he would slap the hell out of us if he saw this. He'd be like, y'all quit that. Okay, you ready?
Y'all know he'll tell the truth.
Okay. Is this healthy or more healthy than the alternative?
Well, actually, yeah, it's healthy.
Okay, my official ruling
I mean, I wouldn't do that third piece of bread. That's what's throwing me off. But it's got good bacon. It's got sugar-free jam, straight almonds, straight walnuts, bananas, bread that's full of fiber.
It needs a little bit more bacon.
Coconut doesn't need more bacon.
Okay, here's my ruling.
Oh,
What do you think? Taste it. Get you a shot of that there, girl.
Oh my God. It's amazing.
Well, it's great. It's great. No.
You should apologize to the camera.
I'm not apologizing nothing. I owe these people, I do them a duty. So.
That really is good. I'm not just saying that.
Here's what I say. If you're only going to have this once a year, and it's going to be like your holy crap, I'm going to eat whatever I want, make it the other way, or go to the restaurant and support this genius, beautiful, beautiful man, whoever came up with this, or woman. We're not sexist here. Or 2019. Maybe they don't. Maybe they're not either. I don't know. I don't know what they feel like. I don't know. So
this would be good for kids.
But if you wanted to just make this like a couple times a month, once a month, twice a month, whatever.
Good point.
Really, really good. So
you would say?
I would give it on a scale of kale to Oreo milkshake. I'll give it an 8. We only dance at 8.5. Should we give Pippa some and see what she thinks? Come on,
Okay,
Pippa.
y'all let us know.
Give Pippa some.
If you think,
Pippa
if you
some?
would, no, she
Yes.
can buy them. I can't believe I'm doing that.
You can never.
If y'all think that you would,
Who cares? Who cares?
we're gonna get like PETA.
Is that
people mad
good?
at us. If y'all would
Is that
try
good?
this peanut butter and jelly sandwich like this, or you would rather do the other one that you can just scroll on our Facebook and see the one Chris posted on my wall earlier this week and the one I posted today.
Hell, if you're still watching, I'll make you one. Well, for the first person who says, Chris, make me one of those sandwiches, I'll make you one. I might even hand deliver it, depending on where your location is.
Nice. So, raise your hand, do the emoji raise hand if you want Chris to make you one. Because knowing Chris, he'll deliver like 10 sandwiches this week.
I will.
Okay, check out our YouTube channel. There is more recipes for meal prep. There is the strawberry jam that will be on there this week. We're also doing a cranberry sauce that'll be on there this week. Oh, y'all. And I made this sweet potato pie, and I'm going to put the recipe on there. It's a sugar-free, vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, did I say pumpkin pie?
Earlier you said
Sweet
vegan-free,
potato
which
pie.
I think is hilarious.
I know. All right, y'all. Thanks so much. Make it a healthy week. We got Thanksgiving coming up. Look for those videos on the YouTube channel. I promise I will help you. If you have questions, let me know, because holidays are not about, it doesn't have to always be about the food. It's about family, right? And it's prepare yourself ahead of time of what you're going to eat so you can feel good, guys. It's not always about weight.
Ooh, I'm going to have to make a lot of sandwiches.
And feeling good. That's what this is about. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we would love the support, especially if we get to 100 subscribers. We can start going live and doing some things. That's fun, because y'all know this is all here to support you.
I got you, Hugo.
Hugo, I love Hugo. All right, guys. Bye. Thank you. Make it a healthy week.